Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write percentage symbol in Microsoft Excel. So click on this insert tab, then equation, and in this second line you will find this percentage symbol selected. Also guys, once you press shift plus 5, so you can write it. And another way, just open Google and type percentage. So almost you will find percentage symbol, copy and paste here. And another way, you will find percentage symbol on this video's title, so copy and use anyway. So this is the method to type and to write percentage symbol. Thanks for watching.